In this video, dear students, we will be studying the laboratory method of preparation of chloroform. Chloroform formula is CHCl3. See, this laboratory preparation of chloroform is done by haloform reaction. And it can be prepared from two compounds. I have written here from ethanol, that is C2H5OH, as well as from acetone, that is CH3COCH3. Alright, so before we see these methods, we need to understand what is haloform reaction. Alright, and how it can be applied for the preparation of chloroform here. So dear students, this haloform reaction is a very specific kind of reaction, and it is given by only those compounds which contain methyl keto group in them. Methyl keto group. What is methyl keto group? Look at here. CH3C double bond O. Any compound which contains this group directly is fit for the haloform reaction, can give haloform. Haloform is the general name of the compounds of the series CHX3, where X is a halogen. If it is CHCl3, we call it chloroform. Alright. If it is CHI3, we call it iodoform. When it is CHBr3, we call it bromoform. So, this reaction can be used to prepare chloroform, iodoform or bromoform. So, as I told you, the first and foremost condition for this reaction is given by only and only those compounds which contain methyl keto group. What is methyl keto group? That is CH3CO. Example, acetone, CH3C double bond O, CH3. Acetaldehyde, CH3C double bond OH. Next example which I can take is CH3C double bond O, CH2, CH3, that is butanone, butane 2-one. So any such compounds which directly have this methyl keto group in them, alright, are fit to give haloform reaction. Or such compounds which upon oxidation can produce a compound which contains methyl keto group. So first, directly those compounds which contain methyl keto, or second condition, those compounds which upon oxidation produce the compounds containing methyl keto group. Now question comes, which kind of compounds on oxidation produce those compounds which contain methyl keto group? So those compounds compulsorily should have this skeleton in them, this group in them. So whenever this group is subjected for oxidation, alright, this group, any compound which contains this group is subjected for oxidation with the removal of these two hydrogen, this way, alright, it results into the compound containing methyl keto group. So that's the reason haloform reaction is given by those compounds which directly contain methyl keto group or which upon oxidation produce methyl keto group. I hope this situation is clear. I'll give you certain examples of those compounds which upon oxidation produce methyl keto group. The best example for this is ethanol, CH3, CH, CH2OH. You can see here. I hope it is clear. Next example which I can give you is CH3CHOH, CH3. Means this skeleton is important. So you see here, this skeleton is present. This skeleton is present. There are a number of compounds which have this skeleton in them, and upon oxidation can produce methyl keto group containing compound. and those compounds are fit for haloform reaction. Now let us see directly the laboratory preparation from ethanol as well as acetone. See dear students, laboratory preparation of chloroform. We can prepare from ethanol as well as from acetone. So first of all, I will be teaching you from acetone. Okay. Once you understand acetone, then from ethanol it will become easy for you. From acetone, we can prepare it in 3 steps. Alright. To perform these 3 steps, dear students, first of all, we need to know what is the starting material used for this reaction. So, dear students, the starting material used for this reaction are number 1, bleaching powder. They are the main products to be used for the process, bleaching powder. And number 2, definitely acetone. And number 3 is water. Alright, only these 3 chemicals are required. So what we do in the first step, which is also known as liberation of chlorine, in this step, bleaching powder, the formula of which is CaOCl2, is mixed with water to make a paste. So when bleaching powder reacts with water, it undergoes reaction with it, which results in the liberation of chlorine with the formation of calcium hydroxide. Okay. Now the necessary compounds are generated in this reaction. Now after this, the paste is brought in contact of acetone. So the moment paste comes in contact of acetone, the second step takes place, that is chlorination. Chlorination of what? Chlorination of acetone. In this step, acetone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3, comes in contact of chlorine gas, which is liberated due to the formation of the paste of bleaching powder. Now this chlorine gas liberated replaces 3 alpha hydrogens. Out of 2 places, 2 alpha carbons are there. 2 beta carbons are there. Out of these 2, from 1 methyl group, 3 hydrogens are replaced by the chlorine. So 3 chlorines molecule will be required, and as a result we get CH3, C double bond O, CCl3, and 3 H which are replaced will be combined with rest of 3 chlorine atoms to form 3 HCl. Now this compound so formed is known as trichloroacetone. Now once this trichloroacetone is formed, this compound so formed immediately reacts with calcium hydroxide to produce chloroform. Now see this reaction. This trichloroacetone so formed, CH3, C double bond O, CCl3, comes in contact of calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. Alright. Now for the sake of ease of yours to understand the reaction, OH whole twice की जगह पे in this bracket I will write 2OH separately ताकि तुम समझ सको इस reaction को. Alright. अब बहुत ध्यान से देखो कि how this reaction will be carried out. Okay. Now see here. 2 molecules of trichloroacetone will be required. So 2 CH3, C double bond O, CCl3. This ratio you have to remember with 1 molecule of calcium hydroxide. Up you have to take out chloroform formula, that is CHCl3. That is CHCl3. ठीक है? So तुमने reaction के through 2 chloroforms molecule को separate कर लिया. Now what is left? That you have to combine only. That is CH3COO, CH3COO whole twice Ca. यानी कि 2 units of CH3COO will be combining with calcium to form calcium acetate. So this way, out of 3 steps, chloroform is prepared from acetone. So once again I am repeating the process. 3 starting material, bleaching powder, acetone and water. In the first step, bleaching powder is mixed with water to liberate chlorine and formation of calcium hydroxide takes place. Now this paste is brought in contact of acetone. The moment this paste comes in contact of acetone, उस paste में से निकलती हुई chlorine gas brings about chlorination of acetone and gives trichloroacetone. जैसे ये ट्राइक्लोरोएसीटोन फॉर्म होगा वो उस पेस्ट में प्रेजेंट कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा टू फॉर्म क्लोरोफॉर्म एंड कैल्शियम एसिटेट. सो दिस वे क्लोरोफॉर्म is prepared from acetone. Now let us see how it is prepared from ethanol. See now dear students, ethanol has the formula in the expanded form CH3CH2OH. So जाहिर सी बात है ये वो कंपाउंड नहीं है जिसमें मिथाइल कीटो प्रेजेंट है, जैसे एसीटोन में मिथाइल कीटो था, लेकिन ये वो कंपाउंड है जो अपॉन ऑक्सीडेशन तुम्हें मिथाइल कीटो कंटेनिंग ग्रुप प्रोड्यूस कराएगा. सो दैट्स द रीज़न इथेनॉल ऑल्सो कैन बी यूज्ड टू प्रिपेयर क्लोरोफॉर्म इन द लेबोरेटरी. ऑलराइट, सो अब वी आर यूजिंग सेम प्रोसीजर. तो पहला स्टेप हमारी रॉ मटेरियल्स भी सेम होंगे, सिर्फ डिफरेंस क्या आएगा, यहाँ पे हमने जो एसीटोन लिया उसकी जगह पे यहाँ पे हम इथेनॉल लेंगे. मीन्स ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, इथेनॉल एंड वाटर. फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी सेम, लिबरेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन. आपको ब्लीचिंग पाउडर का पेस्ट बनाना है, सो ये स्टेप एज इट इज़ यहाँ पे आ जाएगा सेम. ऑलराइट, अब जैसे ही क्लोरीन गैस लिबरेट होती है पेस्ट में से, आप उस पेस्ट में इथाइल अल्कोहल को मिक्स करोगे. नाउ दिस इथाइल अल्कोहल CH3 CH2OH comes in contact of liberating chlorine gas. क्लोरीन अपने आप में एक ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है, वो इथाइल अल्कोहल का ऑक्सीडेशन करता है किसमें, एसेट एल्डिहाइड में. अब आप देखो एसेट एल्डिहाइड, आई विल राइट द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म, इज अ कंपाउंड विच कंटेन्स मिथाइल कीटो ग्रुप. ठीक, सो आपको वो कंपाउंड मिल गया जो अपॉन ऑक्सीडेशन मिथाइल कीटो कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड जिसने आपको प्रोड्यूस किया. और ऑक्सीडेशन का काम कौन कर रहा है, क्लोरीन. सो सिर्फ एक स्टेप ये एक्स्ट्रा हो गया. जब आप इथेनॉल यूज़ करते हो तो पहला स्टेप तो सेम है, सेकेंड स्टेप इथेनॉल कन्वर्ट्स इनटू एसेटल्डिहाइड बाय इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन थ्रू लिबरेटिंग क्लोरीन गैस. अब एसेटल्डिहाइड सो फॉर्म्ड गेट्स क्लोरीनेटेड बिल्कुल उसी तरह से जिस तरह एसीटोन का क्लोरीनेशन हुआ. ऑलराइट, बिल्कुल उसी तरह से. अब दिस क्लोरीन कॉजेज क्लोरीनेशन ऑफ एसेटल्डिहाइड. सो आपके ये मिथाइल के 3 हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस होंगे, सब्सटीट्यूट होंगे, और आपको मिलेगा CCl3 CHO. 3 molecules of Cl2 will be required with the formation of 3 HCl. This compound is ट्राईक्लोरोएसिटल्डिहाइड तो आप बोल सकते हो, अदरवाइज इसका एक कॉमन नाम है क्लोरल. ऑलराइट, क्लोरल और ट्राईक्लोरोएसिटल्डिहाइड कुछ भी आप इसको बोल सकते हो. वंस इट इज फॉर्म्ड, नाउ इट कम्स इन द कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ व्हाट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म वाला स्टेप है. तो जैसे यहाँ पे था ट्राईक्लोरोएसीटोन कम्स इन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, तो यहाँ पे ये आप किसके साथ इसको रिएक्ट करोगे, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. आप CaOH होल ट्वाइस है ना, अब OH होल ट्वाइस ना लिख के OH को 2 बार लिख देते हैं ताकि हमें रिएक्शन ईजिली समझ में आ जाए. अब इस रिएक्शन को करने के लिए हमने जैसे 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ट्राईक्लोरोएसीटोन लिए थे, सो आप 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ क्लोरल लिखोगे. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपको कैल्शियम सॉल्ट मिलता है बाद में जिसकी वैलेंसी 2 है, तो उसको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए. अब CHCl3 है ना, एक मॉलिक्यूल, फिर उसी तरह से यहाँ पे CH यहाँ से लेंगे, Cl3. ऑलराइट, सो 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म आपको मिले, प्लस आपको और क्या मिल रहा है, HCOO, यानी कि HCOO होल ट्वाइस Ca, calcium formate. I hope this haloform reaction is clear to you, which is used for the preparation of chloroform in the laboratory. It is very, very important from the point of view of your board exam.